just put the old fingerboard up there to hold the round in against the blade. Set it up for about 1/4 to 3/8 inch deep. Half-inch away from it. My stock is about 1 inch thick. They're 24-inch rounds. Picked these up from Lowe's. They're about $20 a piece at this time, and it is now almost April of 2025. And so I put that round in there. I picked up 3 of them. I'm going to carve these into some Royal Ranger emblems for missions, and I don't sell them, but I give them away for fundraising, and they have the code on them. So let's get this thing mounted up, put a keyhole slot in them, and away we'll go. All right, put these at about 1:30, 4:30, 7:30, and then at about 11 o'clock over there on that side over there. So there's 4 of them holding them down. It's just brass. I leave them slack, and then I draw them all back in once I get it anchored in. And of course, my table is 24 by 24, so it's centered off the center. And let me go to the front, snug them up. We'll be ready to roll. All right. Well, this thing's in here. I'm doing a finish cut on an emblem. It's 24 by 24 inch emblem. It's got work to go around it. Pretty nice deal. I think it takes me 8.5 hours time to get done with it. I'm in about 4 hours into it right now. And anyway, it's going to town and doing that. But anyway. Yeah, it's kind of funny that fits a trash can lid. However, I think the Ranger ministry is not ready for the trash just yet, and I think that it's a very relevant ministry. And that's why I'm making these rounds. These will be an auction item, silent auction item for fundraising for our district. And these take me 8.5 hours to make. They start off with a round from Lowe's, full size. And then after 5 bit changes, they go from being just a round to 3D carved. Each level of the emblem is at a different angle, at a different level. And yeah, these are real popular. Like good on your wall. Anyway, make these for a fundraiser for the districts, for the Royal Ranger programs, and as gifts. And since it's a copyright item, and I believe in Ranger ministry. I believe it's still relevant today, and I think it's important that we get in and support our Royal Rangers. So there that is. This thing's got a keyhole slot on the back side, and it's not ready for the trash dumpster. It's sitting there on the top of that, and many lives are changed through Royal Ranger ministry. The culture of today is still in need of men and women that will involve our kids and our youth, take them outside into God's creation through hiking, backpacking, regattas, ranger derbies, survival campouts, canoeing, floating, fishing, and 100 others, rock climbing, rappelling. These are all things I've done this last year with our boys and girls. And, it's worth it. And the whole time we're pointing them to Jesus Christ and his church. And the whole time we're showing them the godly way of living and showing them character, demonstrating character. And it's good stuff. So let's keep about it. Let's build the kingdom. And let's give the old devil a kick. And put him under our feet like he should belong.